Using the Medicube EGF NAD plus firming serum for a little over 3 weeks, and here's my honest experience. The first thing I noticed was the packaging, a heavy glass red bottle with a secure dropper that feels very premium and clinical. There's no strong fragrance, which makes it feel more like a treatment serum. The texture is a lightweight gel liquid that absorbs into the skin within about 20 to 30 seconds and layers well under moisturizer without pilling. The formula focuses on skin repair and firmness, featuring key ingredients like EGF, epidermal growth factor, to support skin regeneration and elasticity, NAD+, to help boost cellular energy and repair, and collagen extract for hydration and smoother skin. After about 2 weeks of using it once daily at night, I noticed my skin felt calmer, slightly plumper, and more balanced. My forehead looked less flaky, and makeup applied more smoothly overall. It works especially well as a supportive layer if your skin is stressed from strong actives like retinol or exfoliating acids. For usage, I apply 2 to 3 drops after toner and gently press it into the skin before moisturizer. The results are subtle, though. It's not a dramatic anti-aging serum that erases lines overnight. Instead, it gradually improves overall skin quality and hydration. Overall, it's a good option if you want a gentle, functional serum focused on long-term skin health, rather than instant dramatic results.